Citibank checking account. If you want to apply for a certain type of checking account on Citibank, head over to citi.com. Then basically this is the kind of interface that you will see, right? Now there are different types of options, credit cards option, banking options and so on. But to check your checking account, go to banking, select the option called checking. Then once you navigate to the checking option, again under checking account, this is the kind of interface you will see. Now there might be different type of checking account that might be available. Simply select a certain one that is of your choice right here. So let this page to load up in this case first of all. So first of all, it will also ask you where you live. So you can also go ahead and then make sure to enter your zip code. Then click on the submit option. Then here you can see different type of checkings account, access checking, regular checking. Make sure that you select a certain one that amounts with your fee and that the one that is valid for you. Then click on the open an account option. Then if you want to merge this with your savings account, you can also add your savings account. But if you only want to open checking only, you can select open checking only. Fill in all the prerequisite details over here according to your legal documents, and you also need to make sure that you have got an existing bank account, and depending upon what kind of account that you want, you can fill in the information, finish the ID verification, employment, income, online access, and so on. And this is how you can apply for checkings account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.